Hello guys, it's Black Fetish and welcome back to part 2 of the skirt tutorial. So after you increase your skirt until your hip length, you're just going to continue making double crochets without increasing for a couple of rows. So I went ahead and made 4 more rows without increasing. I wanted my skirt to be made of maroon yarn and orange yarn, so you can continue making it with a plain color yarn. So after that, so I'm just going to measure and confirm that the hip length is the same as the part where we stopped increasing. So just continue making your double crochets until you get perfect. I'm just going to do it slowly, step by step, so that you can understand. So just follow the tutorial, and also don't forget to comment, like, and also share with your friends so that they can learn how to crochet. So here I'm just measuring the length of my skirt. So far it's at 8 at 9. So just continue. You can make it longer or even shorter. Some people prefer them short. So just continue, don't increase or decrease at this point, just continue with a straight skirt. So here at the bottom of the skirt, I'm going to put some decorations. So I'm just going to chain 5, then skip 2 loops. In the third loop, you're going to make a double crochet. Then the next one, you're going to chain 3, then skip 2. In the third loop, you're going to make a double crochet. So this is the pattern you're going to follow. So just continue doing that until you rotate around the skirt. And it's not a must for you to, I just wanted to decorate it a little bit, but it's not a must for you to do this. So just continue making your skirt as long as you want, or as short as you want. So I'm just going to continue doing this until the end of this row. Remember, it's 3 chains, then a double crochet in the third loop. So you're just going to skip 2 loops in each and every row, in this row that is. So I'm almost at the end of this row. So I'm just going to make a couple of rows with this design. So I'm going to show you the second row. So here we are almost at the end of the row. So whichever chains will remain, okay, now we're just going to remain with 2 loops. You're going to chain 3, then you're going to connect this row by making a slip stitch. Then after that, you're going to chain 5, then continue with the drill, make a double crochet in the next loop, then chain 3, then make a double crochet in the next loop. So you're just going to repeat this pattern all over again until you get the perfect length of the skirt. So it's just chaining 3, then making a double crochet on top of each and every a double crochet of the first row. So I made 3 rows. Now I'm trying to secure the loops so that I can cut them off. So I'm all done with my cut. So the only part I'm left with is the upper part. I want to put a string that will secure the waist part. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take another yarn, make a slip stitch, then chain a long string as long as you want. So just make sure it covers around your waist. So I'm all done with the chains. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to cut off the loops. Then I wanted it to have some pom-poms, so I'm going to show you how to make them. So I'm just going to take the maroon yarn and the orange yarn, then start rotating it around my fingers. Make it as thick as you want. Chop off the hanging loops. Then you're going to use the chains that you are making. You're just going to tie them with the hanging loops. So tie it together so that it can make a pom-pom. It's still not a pom-pom. So after this, you're just going to take your scissors. After tying it, you're going to snip off the loops, then trim them so that they can be of the same size. So just do this for the 2 loops. So remember, make sure you don't put the 2 pom-poms at the same time. First, insert the loop, the string into your skirt. Then later on, you're going to put your second pom-pom. So that's what I did. We are done. So see you in my next video and have a good day. Bye.